push lawnmower, 173cc power mower, 173 M3, 21-inch deck. So I'm going to be starting it today. So I'm going to go over the basics. I actually never changed the air filter, which is weird of me. Has not that much gas, but enough to start. And I'm only using vice grip to open this oil because it's hard to open. Wrong way. There. Check the oil. My dad tightens it. My dad always tightens it hard, so I have to use the vice grip. And it has good oil. It's actually not that dirty. Okay. So now I'm gonna start it. So pull the choke back, handle down, and pull the cord. That's the full video of me starting this Yardworks lawnmower. I actually didn't find this one on the side of the road. So I'm gonna do a warm start, like I did with that QPT Craftsman lawnmower I just posted. Choke back, handle down, and pull the cord. Video of me starting this lawnmower, and if you saw me pulling the choke back a little bit, it's because my dad never changed the air filter. I should do that. We just don't do it because we lost the cover book, so we had to put on the zip tie. And if you saw me when the lawnmower was on, pulling the choke back, the reason for it is because when the choke is all the way down, it runs rough because of the air filter, but when it's like a little bit up, it runs smooth. So that's the full video of me starting this Yardworks lawnmower. Please like and subscribe to my channel, David's Cars and Machines. Have a nice day. Bye.